हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बॅक टू माय चॅनल मस्के सर. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्या चॅनलवर तुम्हा सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. तर फ्रेंड्स, इन टुडेज व्हिडिओ वी आर गोइंग टू सी वॉर्मिंग अप ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप अँड ॲक्टिव्हिटीज फ्रॉम लँग्वेज स्टडी सेक्शन्स ऑफ द पोएम ऑफ 10th स्टँडर्ड इफ बाय रुडयार्ड किपलिंग. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Begin with warming up activities, which includes chit chat. From groups and chat, how do you react when your parents scold you? जेव्हा तुमचे पॅरेंट्स आई वडील तुमची खरपट्टी करतात किंवा तुम्हाला खडसावतात तेव्हा तुम्ही त्यावर कशा प्रकारे रिॲक्ट होता? आन्सर: फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, माय पॅरेंट्स नेवर स्कोल्ड मी विदाउट एनी रिझन. वेन दे स्कोल्ड मी, इट शुड बी डेफिनेटली माय मिस्टेक्स. When they scold me, I try to keep myself calm and patient. I also accept my mistakes humbly and assure them not to do again. How do you feel when someone insults you? जेव्हा तुम्हाला कोणी अपमानित करते तेव्हा तुम्हाला कसं वाटते? When someone insults me, I feel very sad. I try to find out the reason behind why he behaves just like that. If I found it was my mistake, I would humbly try to avoid the same mistake again. I would forgive him or if it was his mistake. How would you react when you are cheated by your friends? जेव्हा तुमच्या मित्राने तुमची फसवणूक केली तेव्हा तुम्ही त्या कशा प्रकारे रिॲक्ट होता? आन्सर: फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आय मेक शुअर ऑफ इट बिकॉज माय फ्रेंड्स नेवर चीट मी. बट अनफॉर्च्युनेटली समवन चीट्स मी, आय वुड मेक हिम हर रिअलाइज वॉट एव्हर ही सी हॅड डन वॉज रॉंग वन अँड नॉट गुड फॉर फ्रेंडशिप. की मी त्याला पहिल्यांदा की असे माझे मित्र आहेत की जे कधी फसू शकत नाही, आणि जर दुर्दैवाने जर कोणी फसवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला किंवा फसवलं तर मी त्याला त्याची जाणीव करून देईल किंवा ही गोष्ट मैत्रीसाठी चांगली नाही असं त्याला समजावेल. Why is it wrong to make a difference among friends who belong to a different class, color or community? वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या जाती, धर्म किंवा वंश याच्यावरून, भाषेवरून मित्रामित्रामध्ये भेदभाव करणं का चुकीचं आहे? Definitely it is totally wrong to make a difference among friends who belongs to a different class, color or community, because a real friendship doesn't matter all these things, and also a real friendship never be built on the basis of such things. की खरी मैत्री अशा प्रकारच्या आधारावर बांधली गेलेली नसते किंवा ती टिकत देखील नसते. Complete the table by providing suitable responses to the given actions. Actions and response. You are punished by the teacher without any reason. I shall not lose my temper, but I shall talk to teacher afterwards. Your friends spread rumors about you. I shall try to keep myself calm and confident and try to find the reason behind it. Someone doubts you. I shall try my best to clear his doubts about me personally. Your relative blames you for something. I shall try to find out the reason behind it, and then I shall convince them not to blame without any reason. Someone hurts you. म्हणजे जेव्हा तुम्हाला कोणी काहीतरी तुम्हाला वेदना देते. I shall be hurt and always try to keep myself away from such people. Complete the sentences meaningfully and share them with the class. Sentence 1. If you read books, you will gain knowledge. So one is done for you, and the second is, if you do exercise daily, you will become healthy. The answers are already underlined. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. If you respect others, others will respect you. You don't have to remember anything if you speak the truth. Classify the following into weaknesses and strengths. म्हणजे तुमचे काय ड्रॉबॅक्स आणि तुमची स्ट्रेंथ काय. आपल्याला या ठिकाणी शब्द दिलेले आहेत आणि या शब्दाच्या आपल्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला हे जे दोन शब्द आहेत ते आपल्याला दोन कॅटेगरी मध्ये क्लासिफाय करायचे. त्यामध्ये आपले विकनेसेस, आपले ड्रॉबॅक्स काय आणि आपले ट्रेंड्स, आपले प्लस पॉईंट्स काय. तर पाहूया. पहिल्यांदा विकनेसेस. फिअर, कन्फ्युजन, वरी, कावर्डाइज, हेजिटेशन, लेझीनेस, अँगर, इम्पेशन्स, ॲरोगंट, ॲग्रेसिव्ह. आणि स्ट्रेंथ्समध्ये कॉन्फिडन्स, क्लॅरिटी, करेज, कंपॅशन, ब्रेवरी, पंक्च्युअलिटी म्हणजे वक्तशीरपणा, फेथ, पेशन्स, ॲम्बिशन, जेनरस, cheerful and tolerant. Margin questions. What does the poet call people who twist the truth to suit them? ही आपलं सत्य तोडून मोडून सांगणाऱ्या लोकांना कवी काय म्हणतात? The poet calls them knaves who twist the truth to suit them. How should you react when someone lies about you and hates you? If someone lies about us, we should never do the same or not to tell the lies about him, her. And if someone hates us, we should never react with him, her hatred. We should never control oneself by the feelings of hatred. ही जी तिरस्काराची भावना आहे त्या तिरस्काराच्या भावनेला आपण आपल्याला हवी होऊ देता कामा नये, जरी आपला तिरस्कार कोणी केलेला असला तरी पण. So activities from English workshop. Read the following bits of advice and state whether you agree or disagree with them. So table is given. Get angry when others commit mistakes. Disagree. जेव्हा दुसरे चुका करतात तेव्हा आपण राग मानला पाहिजे का? निश्चितच नाही. Keep friendship with all classes of people. सर्व प्रकारच्या लोकांसोबत मैत्री करणे. Yes, definitely I agree with this statement. Run away from troubles. I disagree with this statement. Hate the rich people and help the poor. It is also a disagree, because we should never hate anyone. Get angry when others blame on us. Disagree. And reconstruct something we have built with care even if it has broken by others. So I am agree with this statement. Pick out and enlist the positive and negative qualities from the poem in the respective columns. Positive qualities, negative qualities. So one is given for you. Keep your head, lose your head. Trust yourselves, doubts others. Be truthful, deal in lies. Be smart, give way to hatings. Why do the lines in the poem begin with if you can? What effect does this have? If you can ही लाईन्स कवितेमध्ये का पुन्हा पुन्हा वापरण्यात आलेली आहे आणि याचा परिणाम काय साध्य झालेला आहे? तर the lines in the poem begins with if you can, because the poet wants us to follow the valuable advices given by him to become a good human being, and also he wants to attract someone's attention towards the good pieces of advices given by him. Look at the use of opposite reactions in the poem. For example, if you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs. Find out other such opposite reactions from the poem. अशा प्रकारचे विरोधी प्रतिक्रिया देणारे लाईन्स आपल्याला कवितेतून शोधून काढायच्या आहेत. जसं being lied about, don't deal in lies. Or being hated, don't give way to hating. if you can think and not make thoughts your aim. You can trust yourself when all men doubt you. Say what are the two imposters, Trump and disaster. Say who should you trust when doubted oneself. कोणावर विश्वास ठेवला पाहिजे? स्वतःवर. Say when can the earth become yours? When we can make use of every single minute. Say why do news twist the truth to make a trap for fools? The answers are already underlined. What should be our attitude towards people of different strata and classes? वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या जाती धर्माच्या लोकांसोबत आपली वृत्ती कशी असली पाहिजे? तर our attitude towards the people of different strata and classes must be equal, positive and fair. We should treat all them equally. We should never discriminate them on the basis of caste, religion, race and gender. While keeping company with the rich people, we should never lose our touch with common and poor people. What, according to Rudyard Kipling, is the highest quality that makes a man a true human being? According to Rudyard Kipling, treating all people equally without discrimination is the highest quality that makes a man a true human being. Identify the figure of speech used from those given in the bracket. आता या ठिकाणी ब्रॅकेटमध्ये आपल्याला वेगळ्या प्रकारचे फिगर ऑफ स्पीच दिलेले आहेत आणि खाली लाईन दिलेली आहेत. त्या कोणत्या आहेत? त्या लाईन्स कोणत्या फिगर ऑफ स्पीचशी रिलेटेड्स आहेत त्या आपल्याला या ठिकाणी लिहायच्या आहेत. इफ यू कॅन कीप युअर हेड वेन ऑल अबाउट यू आर लुझिंग देअर्स. Antithesis. If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same. Personification. And yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. Repetition. With worn out tools. Alliteration. Write a letter to your parents thanking them for advising when you were in a confused state of mind. Cover up the following points in the body of the letter. की तुम्हाला तुमच्या आईवडिलांनी दिलेल्या, तुम्ही जेव्हा काही कन्फ्युजनमध्ये होत्या तेव्हा तुम्हाला तुमच्या आईवडिलांनी जो काही सल्ला दिला त्या सल्ल्याबद्दल आभार व्यक्त करणारं पत्र तुम्हाला द्यायचे आहे. या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला हे जे दिलेले जे काही पॉईंट्स आहेत हे पॉईंट्स तुम्हाला काय करायचे, त्या ठिकाणी या पॉईंट्सचा तुम्हाला विचार करायचे पत्र लिहिताना. सो जस्ट लेट्स गो टू द लेटर. XYZ गिरीनिवास आनंद सागर सोसायटी हुडको न्यू नांदेड 431603. तो तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी वेगळा पत्ता टाकू शकता. तुम्हाला पत्र तुमच्या आईवडिलांना लिहायचं आहे आभार व्यक्त करणारं. तर डिअर आई अँड बाबा, आय रिसिव्ड युअर लेटर लास्ट वीक अँड आय ग्लॅड टू रीड इट. आय इंटेंडेड टू राईट यू सून बट आय वॉज बिझी विथ माय स्टडीज सो आय कुड नॉट टेक अप माय पेन. सॉरी फॉर द डिले. बाय द वे, I am extremely happy here and I hope you are all right there. My study is going very well. Ai and Baba, I know that you will be surprised to see this letter. Since I don't write you very often, I actually wanted to tell you something very important and so thought that writing a letter would be the best way to express my feelings and emotions. So I decided to write a letter. First of all, I want to thank both of you for valuable advice you have given to me about my misunderstanding with Samir. If you had not guided me, I think I would have distanced myself and not have had the courage to speak to him about forgetting his birthday. It was only because of your motivation to speak the truth and apologize for my mistake that I spoke to him and realized that he did not know about my accident at all. Perhaps it is not always about right and wrong. Each of us had a different perspective about the same thing, and both of us seemed right in our way. I realized that it is indeed necessary to communicate and resolve issues than to let your friendship break. I am really grateful that I took your advice and followed it. I am glad that you understand me so well. I can share everything with you, and thanking you for always being my guide and support. Convey my regards to Grandpa and Granny. Give my little love to Bablu. Write me soon. I am waiting for your response. With the love, your loving son XYZ. अशा प्रकारे हे पत्र असेल. Draft a speech to be given during the farewell for Standard 10 on the topic changes I would like in school education of our steps. की तुम्हाला खालील दिलेल्या पॉईंटचा विचार करून, ह्या संपूर्ण पॉईंटचा विचार करून एक स्पीच लिहायचा आहे आणि त्या स्पीचचा जो विषय आहे चेंजेस आय वुड लाईक इन स्कूल एज्युकेशन ऑफ आवर स्टेट, की राज्याच्या शालेय शिक्षणामध्ये तुम्हाला हवे असलेले बदल. तर ते पॉईंट दिले, त्या पॉईंट्स आपल्याला कन्सिडर करायचे आहेत आपण भाषण लिहिताना. तर स्पीच असं असेल. ऑनरेबल चीफ गेस्ट, रेस्पेक्टेड हेडमास्टर, respected teachers and all my beloved friends. I am XYZ from Standard 10. I am here to express my opinion on changes I would like in school education of our state. So I request all of you to listen my forwards quietly. I think school education is an important part of every student's life. In school education, students get not only education but also virtues which are very important to lead a happy and successful life. The first and the most important change that I would like to see in my school is there about the options. There should be internal options to each and every subject, as the students are free to choose their options as per their interest. And like the students should not only teach in classrooms but also they should be involved in social activities too. The teaching and learning process should be interesting. Each and every students take part in this process enthusiastically. Examination should not be mandatory. Students' evaluation should not be decided only on the basis of examination. There should not be burden of homework or no need to carry a heavy load of books on the backs of the students. More attention should be provided toward the sports and to the interest of the particular students. So these are the little changes that I would like to in my school education of our step. I would like to thank the organizer of the program for giving me an opportunity to express my opinion on this topic, and thank you very much for everyone for listening my forwards quietly. Language study. If class, conditional class. Look at the following sentences. If I practice hard, I shall win the race. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी अट जर तरचा प्रश्न आहे. If I practice hard म्हणजे मी जसं कठोर सराव केला तर मी गेम जिंकेल. If you buy a new car, it will cost you a lot of money. Each of these sentences has two clauses, main clauses and subordinate clauses. या प्रत्येक दोन्ही सेंटेन्समध्ये दोन क्लॉज आहे. यातला एक आहे जो मेन क्लॉज आहे आणि दुसरा आहे तो सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आहे. इफ आय प्रॅक्टिस हार्ड, सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज, आय शॅल विन द रेस. तर जर तुमचा वर दिलेला आहे बघा, इफ आय प्रॅक्टिस हार्ड सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आहे, तर त्याचा जो मेन क्लॉज असेल तो फ्युचरमध्येच असणार आहे. Here the subordinate clause indicates possibility or likelihood. The tense of a subordinate clause depends on the main clause. Main clause, subordinate clause. Complete the following sentences. If, तर या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला दिले की मेन क्लॉज आणि सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. मेन क्लॉज सिंपल प्रेझेंट टेन्स मध्ये असेल तर हा जो सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज आहे तो सिंपल फ्युचर मध्ये असेल. जर मेन क्लॉज सिंपल पास्ट असेल तर सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज मध्ये वुड प्लस बेस फॉर्म ऑफ म्हणजे V1 फॉर्म असेल. आणि जर मेन क्लॉज पास्ट परफेक्ट मध्ये असेल तर सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज मध्ये वुड प्लस हॅव प्लस V3 किंवा पास्ट पार्टिसिपल क्रियापदाचं तिसरं रूप या ठिकाणी येणार आहे. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस. द आन्सर्स आर ऑलरेडी अंडरलाइंड. इफ आय लाईक इट आय वुड बाय इट. If it rains, I will carry an umbrella. If you come on time, you would catch the train. If she had obeyed her parents, she would have saved her life. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. So I request all of you to subscribe my channel and like and share the video.